In this video, I'll show you how to transfer folder names within a Windows folder into Microsoft Excel. So I have a folder here which contains a list of staffing agencies. What I want to do is I want to transfer all these folder names and also the name of all the subfolders within these folders into Microsoft Excel. And I want to do that obviously without having to type them manually or copy and paste the names manually. Now there's a very neat method to do this automatically in Excel. And the process involves just a very few simple steps. The first step is to obviously open your folder and then go to the directory section in the top. So click this white space over here, and in this section, type CMD, and then click on Enter. So by doing this, the command prompt opens up. So this is the section that opens up after you click on CMD. So this is simply the command prompt. And in the command prompt, you have to type a very simple code, the code that is currently displayed on the screen. And after you type it, you have to click on Enter. So what this dir code does is it basically transfers the content of that folder into a text file within that directory. Now, if I go within the same folder in which I was in just a few moments ago, I will see a text file containing the name of all those folders and their respective subfolders. So I'm going to X out of this and I'm going to go back into my folder. There you go. As you can see, this dir list text document has been generated. And let's open this, see what it contains. There we go. This text file contains the name of all the folders and also all the subfolders within the folder in which we were viewing just a few moments ago. Now the last and final step is to open Excel. And in Excel, we have to go to File, we go to Open, and we select that text file. There we go, here it is. So all we have to do is to locate the text file, left click on it and click on Open. This text import wizard pops up. The first thing we have to select is delimited. Then we go to Next. We have to select Other here. Our delimiter here is going to be the backlash. So I'll type backlash here. And then once again, I'll click on Next. And the last step is to basically click on Finish. There we go. The name of all the folders and also their respective subfolders have been transferred from the Windows folder into Microsoft Excel. And as you can see, this was done completely automatically. In other words, I didn't have to go and type these manually. I just had to follow those very three simple steps, and all those folder names, their directory, the folder name, and also all the name of all the subfolders within those folders have been transferred into Excel. And that's how it's done. I hope you found this video useful and got some value out of it. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed already, make sure to subscribe and also turn on notifications so you won't miss out on future videos. See you soon.